Greetings to all. Welcome back to BluzzTech. In this video, I will explain how to clear the RAM cache on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, it is really annoying when your PC or your laptop becomes very slow just because of cache memory. Now, I will share a very simple method by which you can clear the RAM cache and increase the performance of your Windows 10 or 11. So, let me open my Task Manager. If I right-click on the Windows icon and click Task Manager. Then, if I go to the Performance section and click on Memory. Right now, you can see that about 1.6 GB is my computer's cache memory. Okay, so this is a lot of space that is taken up, and if I want to free it up, there is a very simple method. All you need to do is go to the website of RAM Map, which is a Microsoft product. So it is completely safe and very small in size. So you will find this link in the description. You need to open this website and then click Download RAM Map. Once it is downloaded, it will be downloaded in a zip file. You need to click on Open the folder. Then you just need to extract the file. So right-click, select Extract File, or Extract All if you get any option. Then you have to select the location. So I'll click on Extract, and you'll see that it's extracting all the files. Now here you should find rammap.exe with a maximum size of 662 KB. So once you get it, you need to do a right-click on it and click on Run as administrator. Then you have to click on Agree, and this kind of a small box will be now coming up. Alright? So now what I am doing here, I'm dragging this cache memory on the left-hand side, and this application of RAM Map on the right-hand side, so that I can show you what kind of difference it makes. Now once the RAM Map is up, you have to click on the empty option at the left-hand top, then click on the empty standby list. And once I click on it, you will notice that the cache memory is going down. So let me click on it, and now you can see it came to around 40, 60 bytes instead of 2.3 GB. It has been now reduced. Alright? Similarly, I won't recommend that you go ahead and uninstall this application of RAM Map. Keep this on your computer, and whenever your cache memory goes high, you can come back to this option, click on Empty and click Empty Cached Items. So this is the best way, easiest and safest way to clear the RAM cache on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So hopefully you will find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, put in the comment section.